And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Cricket is where we begin. As Jamaica's women's cricket has finalized their preparation for the upcoming regional season, it could be an emotional return for one player after an extended period away from the game. Roshana Outar reports.
Two-time Olympic and five-time world champion Shelly Fraser-Pryce and former Reggae Girls captain defender Konya Plummer are two on a long list of Jamaican women in recent times to return to professional sports after pregnancy. But neither tried it after 5 years being out of the sport. That's the comeback story Jamaican cricketer Roshana Outar is looking to write. After half a decade out of the sport, and not one but two boys, Outar is looking to make a return to Jamaica's squad for the upcoming regional 50-over competition. Just being able to be back on the field is a major triumph for Outar, who, while gaining the joy of being a mother, has suffered tremendous loss.
It is not something I was happy with, being away from cricket, but I did not have a choice. I lost my daddy 2019, immediately after my last tour in 2018. Found out I was pregnant same time, had my first son, and then daddy died April 2019. I had the baby in August. He did not meet the baby. And then here comes mommy taking sick after daddy passed, and then it was up and down. It was COVID. I was teaching online, being a first-time mom. It was very hard. I was also the caregiver for mommy at the same time. And then pregnant again, had the second baby, and mommy died again.
Despite getting back to the game she loves, the injured high school teacher still carries the grief of losing her parents. It's something she admits she has never really dealt with.
All my attention was driven to the boys. Yes, I had a few friends and a few family members, but I'm not saying I don't have a specific person or a group of persons, but because I had the babies, or the second one, especially Noreen, he got all my attention and all my drive was forced into him. So I didn't even have the time to say, okay, try to get counseling or try to do some grief counseling or anything. Nothing like that.
But why is it taking so long for her to get back to cricket? Well, one reason is that she almost never did.
It crossed my mind because sometimes I'm wondering what is in it for us as the ladies, because not much is out there for us as ladies. But since the past year or 2 years, they have placed us under the umbrella with the men where we can actually gain something from it. And one of the main reasons why I delayed myself a little was because I had 2 C-sections with the boys. So I had to give my body some more time. I wanted to start a little earlier, but then I had to look on my mental health and my physical health. So that is one of the reasons why I delayed a little.
Jamaica's coach Shane Brooks, while trying desperately not to give away any selection secrets, spoke glowingly about the former St. Catherine High student and about the resolve of women overall.
I've worked with both men and women, and I can tell you these Jamaica ladies, trust me, they are priceless. They work hard, they fight irrespective of injuries, irrespective of the situation. They seem to do to put out their best. So I'm not surprised with Outar's decision to come back and play cricket. I'm not surprised that she's asking the questions of the selectors. I'm not surprised that she's doing well, and I'm expecting her to probably get in the team.
A lot has changed since the last time Outar represented Jamaica, including the team, but so far, so good.
They take me like as a role model because they call me teacher, same way. So when I come around the team, for example, yesterday we had the medical and they call me, teach, what does this mean, or can you explain this? It feels good to know that they have me as a role model and they look up to me. I'm still getting to know the new ones. They're quite nice, fun, jovial, but I'm still getting to know them. But it's a great feeling to be around them, especially the new ones.
Outar will know in a few days' time whether her dream of a return to Jamaica's team will be realized. But even if it's delayed, hopefully it won't be denied. Roshana Outar for TVJ Sports.